This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by Kristy Warner. Investors welcome. This home is under 800 square feet and only a 1-bed/1 BTH, but it has an oversized laundry room, large, fenced yard, storage building and a 20 by 20 workshop. Plumbing and water heater are approx 6 years old and there is a new compressor on air conditioner. There is so much potential here. Call today for more information. For more information, review the details below or contact Kristy Warner at 903-832-2486.